got this naughty first order linear ODE. So first thing we're going to do is divide all sides by x. So then that's going to then become 2y plus x squared equals dy dx. Or let's rearrange it to dy dx minus 2y equals x squared. Why have we done that? And it's because the standard linear first order ODE is dy dx plus px y equals qx. And that's because the integrating factor is essentially mu x equals the exponential of the integration of the px dx. So you're going to get, I'll write that down, mu x equals e the integration of px, which is minus 2. That's the px value. Minus 2 dx, which is equal to e to the minus 2x. So now we've found out what our integrating factor is. The key step is to rearrange this and get it to be in this form. Then you can find out what the integrating factor is. Once you've got the integrating factor, you then multiply the integrating factor to every single term. So we're going to get, I'll do it here, e to the minus 2x dy dx minus 2e minus 2x equals x squared e to the minus 2x. So now for the left-hand side, this is something that's going to take some intuition. You're going to use you're looking to see that it looks like the product rule written out. For example, you'll have f equals y and g equals e to the minus 2x. So therefore, d over dx fg this is pretty school level. So you know that if each of these terms is actually this represented, so we can change this into the derivative. So therefore, the left-hand side would be d over dx ye to the minus 2x, which is x squared e to the minus 2x. So that's the right-hand side. So we've taken this whole thing and made it this whole thing by recognizing that it's in the form of the product rule. We now integrate both sides. The left-hand side is pretty simple. You integrate that vanishes. Now you have the right-hand side, which is x squared e to the minus 2x dx. The right-hand side, you are integrating by parts. You have to do it twice. So that's going to waste a lot of time. This video is about solving first order linear ODEs. I don't think you want to watch me for 10 minutes doing integration by parts. I do have a whole video explaining how to do that. So you can watch that there. So I'm just going to do this in my head. So that means that the right-hand side, well, I'll write it out fully. The left-hand side is ye minus 2x. And then the right-hand side is very obviously, you can do this in your mind, is minus e to the minus 2x, half x squared plus half x plus a quarter plus c. So now you multiply everything by e to the 2x. So multiply e to the 2x. So you're going to get y equals minus a half x squared plus a half x plus a quarter plus c to the e2x. So therefore, you should get y x, which equals c to the e to the 2x minus a half x squared minus a half x minus a quarter. And then we are done.